staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. Coconut, a tropical fruit, is not only delicious but also has many health benefits. The coconut fruit is a staple food in many cultures, and it has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. Coconut is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a superfood that can boost your health in many ways. In this video, we'll be talking about the health benefits of coconut and how you can incorporate it into your daily diet. Health benefits of coconut. 1. Promotes heart health. The healthy fats in coconut can help reduce the risk of heart disease by improving cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that coconut oil can increase the levels of HDL, good cholesterol, while reducing LDL, bad cholesterol levels. 2. Boosts brain function. The MCTs in coconut oil can provide energy to the brain and help improve cognitive function. Studies have also shown that coconut oil may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. 3. Promotes weight loss. Coconut oil can help with weight loss by reducing appetite and increasing metabolism. The MCTs in coconut oil are quickly metabolized by the liver, providing energy without being stored as fat. 4. Reduces inflammation. The antioxidants in coconut can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. 5. Improves digestion. The fiber in coconut can help promote digestive health by reducing the risk of constipation and improving gut health. 6. Promotes skin health. Coconut oil can be used topically to improve skin health by moisturizing and reducing inflammation. It can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. 7. Boosts immune system. The vitamins and minerals in coconut can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of infections and diseases. How to incorporate coconut into your diet. There are many ways to incorporate coconut into your daily diet. 1. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is a creamy, dairy-free alternative to milk. You can use it in smoothies, curries, and soups. 2. Coconut oil can be used for cooking or as a substitute for butter or margarine in baking. You can also use it as a moisturizer for your skin. 3. Coconut water is a refreshing drink that can be enjoyed on its own or as a base for smoothies. 4. Shredded coconut can be used as a topping for oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls. 5. Coconut flour is a gluten-free flour that can be used in baking. Nutritional value of coconut. Coconut is a nutrient-dense food that contains many essential vitamins and minerals. 1. Fiber. Coconut is an excellent source of dietary fiber. 1 cup of shredded coconut contains around 7 grams of fiber, which can help promote digestive health. 2. Vitamins. Coconut is rich in vitamins C, E, and B vitamins. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can boost the immune system, while vitamin E is essential for healthy skin and eyes. 3. Minerals. Coconut is also a good source of minerals such as iron, potassium, and magnesium. Potassium is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure, while magnesium is essential for bone health. 4. Healthy fats. Coconut is high in healthy fats, including medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can provide energy and help with weight loss. Precautions. Although coconut is generally considered safe, there are some precautions you should take. 1. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to coconut. If you experience any allergic symptoms such as hives, swelling, or difficulty breathing, stop consuming coconut and seek medical attention immediately. 2. High calorie content. Coconut is high in calories, so it should be consumed in moderation if you are watching your calorie intake. 3. Saturated fats. Although the saturated fats in coconut are considered healthy, it is still recommended to consume them in moderation to maintain a balanced diet. 4. Interactions with medications. Coconut oil can interact with certain medications, so it is important to talk to your healthcare provider before adding it to your diet if you are taking any medications. Conclusion. Coconut is a versatile and nutritious fruit that can provide many health benefits. From promoting heart health to boosting brain function and improving digestion, coconut can be a valuable addition to your daily diet. Whether you prefer coconut milk, oil, water, or flour, there are many ways to incorporate this superfood into your meals. However, it is important to consume coconut in moderation and talk to your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. By incorporating coconut into your diet, you can enjoy its many health benefits while enjoying its delicious flavor. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.